NordVPN Netflix review. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss how NordVPN really is on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have been planning to use the NordVPN application over here for your Netflix application in this case, and you've been trying to purchase the premium, but before that you want to make sure to check any of the reviews that you might want over here. Well, reviews say that NordVPN is actually a good choice for Netflix streaming because it's fast and can unblock many international libraries. NordVPN has a large server network with many options for countries and cities to connect to, and it rarely has trouble accessing streaming platforms. Reviews also say that NordVPN is good for streaming other services like Amazon Prime Video, BBC iPlayer, Disney Plus, HBO Max, and so on. Now obviously, like any of the other applications, NordVPN also has the pros and cons. The pros are that it's fast, it has got a large server network, it unblocks many libraries, and it has good privacy and other perks and smart play feature. The cons are that it is actually a bit slower than ExpressVPN and split tunneling not available for Mac. So hope this video helped you understand. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.